guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys the best Amazon must-haves for your car. All this stuff is literally so cute and I'm so excited. My car is literally gonna be decked out after this video. Some of the stuff is extra, but I just did it for the video. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. I don't even know where to start. Okay, so the first thing I got is this vanity mirror that folds over your car visor. So the mirror that you flip down from your car that has the light is like super small, and you just strap this to it and it makes it like huge. It's literally so big and I'm so excited for this. So this is what the mirror looks like. It's literally like huge, and you just strap it with the velcro on here around your visor. All this stuff will be linked in my description if you guys want to get any of it. The next thing that I got is honestly so cool. This is called a Starport laser USB light. This is what the box looks like. I plugged this in last night in my room and it literally looked like my room was filled with stars. The stars come out here and you just plug this into your car. I feel like this would be so fun to have like all your friends in the car at night and just driving around with this on, because it literally makes your car look like it has stars in it. Yeah, this is literally like such a good idea and I'm so excited to stick this in my car.
Oh, this looks so cool on camera. Dude, my car looks sick.
Okay, so this is the next thing that I got. It's the dust cleaning gel, and this was like super popular last year. There's honestly like little creases in my car that like you can't vacuum out and you can't wipe out, so this is gonna come in handy. It smells like a bath. It smells super clean. So this is what it looks like, and basically you just like roll it around in your car and it's supposed to get like all the dirt and dust and like anything that you can't really clean, it's supposed to get. So yeah, that is just the next thing that I got. So the next thing that I got is LED lights, and I know this is like super extra, but I just thought it'd be fun for the video. Basically, you just stick them under your seats and you just take the sticky stuff off. You stick it under your seats and they just change colors, and I just thought this would look super cool at night. So it comes with this remote like basic LED lights do, and then it just gives you a couple directions. These are gonna be super cool and I'm super excited to put these in my car. So the next thing that I got is a little more basic, and it's just these clips that hold your sunglasses. I just thought these would be good for the summer because I'm always wearing sunglasses in my car. It came in a pack of 2 and they're literally so pretty. I just thought this would be cute. It like matches the interior of my car because the interior is like silver and black. Okay, so the next thing that I got is these little hangers. You stick them on the back of your headrest. They just like hold your gym bag or your groceries or just like your backpack or something. So this is what they look like, and they're literally so cute. When people are like sitting in the back of your car, it can get like crowded if everybody has like their bags and stuff, and this just kind of like saves up some room. So yeah, these are super cute, and honestly I'm so excited to put these in the back of my car. But the next thing I got is this wireless microphone, and tell me this isn't gonna be so fun. This microphone hooks up to your phone. They have different colors, but I got this silver one because I like when my car interior matches. So you can hook your phone up to this. You can like change your voice on this. You can put auto tune on your voice. It literally does so many things. It plays Spotify, Apple Music, it plays all of it. So yeah, it lights up too. I don't want to like get too carried away in talking about this, but yeah, this microphone is literally so cool. So that's just the next thing that I got. So the next thing that I got is this pack of 4. Like honestly, I don't even know what to call these things. You just stick them on the back of your headrest and they just go in the little bar. This is what they look like. But I think they're gonna be so cute and I'm really excited to put these on my car. Yeah, that's the next thing that I got. The next thing that I got is this pack of 4 car coasters, and they're literally so cute and basic. They're just matte black and they have like studs around the sides. And honestly, these are so cute. I'm gonna stick them in my cup holders, and it was honestly pretty cheap. That's the next thing that I got, is just these car coasters. So I saved the best for last. Here it is. It is a mini car refrigerator. I know that's literally like so extra. I just had to do it for the video, but it's pretty cool, especially if you travel a lot. So I got the color white because it matched my car interior. So it honestly has a lot of room inside. It comes with this little cord that you can stick into your cigarette lighter. That's literally how it stays on. What's even cooler about this is that you can change it from cool to warm. So like if you have like a warm drink during the winter time, you can literally keep your food and drinks warm. Like, is that not so cool? So that is the last thing that I got, and honestly all this stuff is so cool and I'm so excited to stick it in my car. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want a car tour, let me know and I'll definitely film that video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.